Welcome back to my channel Super Cool Couponer. Today I will show you my CVS deal update on Sunday November 7 to Saturday November 13, 2021, and these are all digital and printable coupon deal. Before we start, make sure you send to all your manufactured digital coupon on your CVS app so you can combine with the digital and printable coupon deal. So let's begin with my first deal. So my first deal is select Colgate Optic White toothpaste or specialty oral care deal. Spend $15 and get back $7 ECB. That one has a limit 2 per household. So you can grab 2 Colgate Optic White Renewal toothpaste 3 OZ. It's $20.58. It's $10.29 each in my store. Also you can buy 1 Colgate Gum Renewal toothpaste 3 OZ. It's $10.29. So the totals come out $30.87. You can use 1/5 of 30 Colgate Oral Care CVS CRT. Plus you can use 4 of 2 Colgate toothpaste digital coupon. That coupon is available on Sunday. That coupon is possibly glitch with the $3 of Colgate Gum Renewal toothpaste digital coupon and $3 of Gum Optic White Renewal toothpaste digital coupon. So your total coupon is $15. Pay or roll $15.87 and get back $14 ECB. So your final cost is only just $1.87 or 62 cents each. My next deal is Crest toothpaste deal scenario 1. Buy 3 and get back $4 ECB. That one has a limit 2 per household and it's on sale $3.49 each. So you can grab 3 Crest complete toothpaste. It's $10.47. It's $3.49 each. You can use 5 of 3 Crest oral care digital coupon. That coupon is available on Sunday and it's possibly glitch with the $1 of Crest toothpaste digital coupon. So your total coupon is $6. Pay or roll $4.47 and get back $4 ECB. So your final cost is only just 47 cents or 15 cents each without the no CRT deal. The next deal is Crest toothpaste deal scenario 2. If you have 5 or 20 Crest oral care CVS CRT, you can do this deal like that. Buy 6 and get back buy 3 and get back $4 ECB. That one has a limit 2 per household. So you can grab 6 Crest complete toothpaste. It's $20.94. It's $3.49 each. You can use 1/5 of 20 Crest oral care CVS CRT. Plus you can use 1/5 of 3 Crest oral care digital coupon. That coupon is available on Sunday. Plus you can use $1 of Crest toothpaste digital coupon. So your total coupon is $11. Pay or roll $9.94 and get back $8 ECB. So your final cost is only just $1.94 or 32 cents each. But if you have the PNG insert coupon, you can stack with this deal. It will be free plus money maker deal in this deal. My next deal is Annie Ardila Falls eyelashes deal. Buy 2 and get back $5 ECB. That one has a limit 2 per household. So you can grab 2 Ardila naked eyelashes. It's $9.98. It's $4.99 each. Plus you can use 1/3 of Ardila Falls eyelash product CVS CRT. Pay or roll $6.98 and get back $5 ECB. So your final cost is only just $1.98 or 99 cents each. My next deal is select Wet n Wild gift set and LA color or Wet n Wild gift set deal. Buy 1 and get back $5 ECB. That one has a limit 3 per household and it's on sale $9.99 each. Plus you can buy 1 LA color or Wet n Wild gift set and get back $3 ECB. That one also has a limit 3 per household and it's on sale $4.99 each. So you can grab 1 Wet n Wild gift set, is $9.99, and buy 3 LA color gift set, it's $14.97. It's $4.99 each. So your totals come out $24.96. You can use 1/5 of 25 any cosmetic CVS CRT. Pay or roll $19.96 and get back $5 ECB for the Wet n Wild and get back $9 ECB for the LA color gift set. So your final cost is only just $5.96 or $1.49 each after the ECB. My next deal is select Eucerin or Aquaphor deal. Spend $20 and get back $10 ECB. That one has a limit 1 per household, so you can buy 2 Eucerin skin calming cream 8 oz. It's $19.98, but must check this one it's included or not. Plus you can use $3 of 10 any lotion CVS CRT, $2 of 8 any Eucerin lotion CVS CRT. Plus you can use $2 of Eucerin lotion digital coupon and use $2 of Eucerin lotion printable coupon on coupon.com. But I guess this coupon is no longer available. So your total coupon is $9. Pay or roll $10.98 and get back $10 ECB. So your final cost is only just 98 cents or 49 cents each after the ECB. My next deal is select Silk or Skintimate disposable razor deal and select Silk or Skintimate razor deal. Buy one Silk disposable and get back $3 ECB. That one has a limit 1 per household and it's on sale $5.99 each. And buy one Silk or Skintimate and get back $4 ECB. That one has a limit 1 per household and it's on sale $8.99 each. So you can grab 2 Silk Skintimate disposable razor is $11.98. It's $5.99 each. Plus you can buy one Silk Skintimate razor is $8.99. So your totals come out $20.97. You can use 1/5 of 20 any razor or CVS CRT. Plus you can use 1/4 of 2 Skintimate razor CVS CRT. Use $4 of Silk Skintimate CVS CRT. And you can use 1/5 of 2 Silk disposable razor digital coupon. So your total coupon is $18. Pay or roll $2.97 and get back $3 ECB and get back $4 ECB. So your final cost is only just $1. So your final cost is free plus money maker in this deal. The next deal is select Silk or Skintimate disposable razor deal. Buy one and get back $3 ECB. That one has a limit 1 per household and it's on sale $5.99 each. So you can grab 2 Silk Extreme disposable razor. It's $11.98. It's $5.99 each. You can use 1/3 of 12 Silk Extreme disposable razor CVS CRT. Plus you can use 1/5 of 2 Silk disposable razor digital coupon. So your total coupon is $8. Pay or roll $3.98 and get back $3 ECB. So your final cost is only just 98 cents or 49 cents each after the ECB. My next deal is select Nivea, Bulldog, Philips or Harry's Save product deal. Spend $25 and get back $10 ECB. That one has a limit 1 per household. So you can grab 2 Harry's razor blade for man 4 CTs $21.98. It's $10.99 each. And buy one Bulldog razor, it's $12.49. So your totals come out $34.47. Plus you can use 1/5 of 30 any Save Care product CVS CRT. Use $4 of Bulldog razor CVS CRT. Use $5 of 2 Harry's razor or refill digital coupon and use $5 of 2 Harry's printable coupon on coupon.com. That coupon is no longer available. So your total coupon is $19. Pay or roll $15.47 and get back $10 ECB. So your final cost is only just $5.47 or $1.82 each. My next deal is Sure or Brut deodorant deal. Buy one and get back $2 ECB. That one has a limit 1 per household and it's on sale $2 each. So you can grab one Brut or Sure deodorant. It's $2. Pay or roll $2 and get back $2 ECB. So your final cost is free. My next deal is Iris Spring body wash or bar soap deal. Buy 3 and get back $5 ECB. That one has a limit 3 per household and it's on sale $3.99 each. So you can grab 3 Iris Spring body wash. It's $11.97. It's $3.99 each. You can use $2 of 2 Iris Spring body wash CVS CRT. Plus you can use 3 if your store allow multiple coupon. You can use 3 75 cents of Iris Spring printable coupon on irispring.com. So your total coupon is $6.25. Pay or roll $5.72 and get back $5 ECB. So your final cost is only just 72 cents or 24 cents each. My next deal is household deal scenario 1. Spend 30 and get back $10 ECB. That one has a limit 1 per household. So you can grab one L'Oreal Age Perfect moisturizer. It's $19.99 and buy two Tide Pod 16 CT. It's $9.88. It's $4.94 each. So your totals come out $29.87 if your store allow 98% rule. You can use 1 5 of 15 L'Oreal Facial Care CVS CRT, plus you can use 2 $6 of L'Oreal Age Perfect CVS CRT. Use 1 $2 of Tide Pod digital coupon. That coupon is available on Sunday, and use 1 $2 of Tide Pod printable coupon on pngcoupon.com. So your total coupon is $21. Pay or roll $8.87 and get back $10 ECB. So your final cost is free plus $1.13 moneymaker in this deal. The next deal is household deal scenario 2. Spend 30 and get back $10 ECB. That one has a limit 1 per household. So you can grab one Tide Liquid 92 FL OZ is $11.94 and buy one Tide Pod 21 to 35 cities $11.94. And you can grab two Tide Pod 16 CT, it's $9.88. So your totals come out $35.82. You can use 1 6 of 30 any purchase CVS CRT. Use 1 $3 of Tide Pod digital coupon. Use 1 $3 of Tide Liquid digital coupon. Use 1 $2 of Tide Pod digital coupon. Use 1 $2 of Tide Pod printable coupon on pngcoupon.com. So your total coupon is $16. Pay or roll $17.76 and get back $10 ECB. So your final cost is only just $7.76 or $1.94 each. The next deal is any Ensure or Glucerna product deal. Buy 2 and get back $5 ECB. That one has a limit 1 per household. So you can grab 2 Glucerna mini treat snacks bar. It's $12.58. It's $6.29 each. You can use 1 3 of 2 Glucerna products CVS CRT, plus you can use $3 of Glucerna printable coupon on glucerna.com for the new sign up. So your total coupon is $9. Pay or roll $3.58 and get back $5 ECB. So your final cost is free plus $1.42 moneymaker in this deal. The next deal is Pepsi Cola deal. Buy 5 Pepsi bottle 2 liter, it's $9.39. It's 2 for $3.50 or $2.39 each. So you can use 1 3 of 5 Pepsi Cola or Fritos Lay's product digital coupon. That coupon is glitched with the printable coupon. If you didn't print that coupon, you can print that coupon on coupon.com. So your total coupon is $6. Pay or roll $3.39. So your final cost is only just $3.39 or 56 cents each. My next deal is food deal. You can buy 5 Pepsi bottle 2 liter, it's $9.39, and buy 1 Golden Amble mixed nut, it's $10.99, and buy 3 Nature Valley granola bar, it's $5.98. It's $1.99 each. So your totals come out $26.35. You can use 1 5 of 25 any food CVS CRT. Plus you can use 1 $4 of Golden Amble nut 24 OZ CVS CRT. Use 2 50 cent of Nature Valley bar digital coupon and use 1 50 cent of Nature Valley bar printable coupon. Use 1 $3 of 5 Pepsi Cola or Fritos Lay's product digital coupon. That coupon is glitching with the printable coupon. So your total coupon is $16.50. Pay or roll $9.85. So your final cost is only just $9.85 or $1.09 each. My last and final deal is Hallmark card deal. Buy 3 Hallmark card and get back $3 ECB. That one has a limit 1 per household. So you can grab 3 Hallmark card is $2.97. It's 99 cents each. Plus you can buy 3 Hallmark ribbon. It's $3.87. It's $1.29 each. and buy 2 Hallmark paperback, it's 98 cents. So your totals come out $7.82. You can use 2 4 of 8 Hallmark cards CVS CRT. So your total coupon is $8. Pay or roll, nothing out of pocket. So your final cost is free plus $3 money maker in this deal. So friend, this is my next week's CVS deal update. I hope this deal is helpful to you. If do, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. See you.